Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AutoDS Dropshipping for your Shopify store. So to install it, you go ahead to the apps right there and you write down AutoDS or just Auto and it will be here. Now you're going to click on it and you're going to install it. So click on install right there. Now you're going to click install right there. Now you're going to sign up with them. As you can see, you can start your trial or automate your dropshipping business. So let me do that. Now we want to register with them and basically let's write on anything here. It doesn't really matter. Now, when you will log in here, you can see that you can set up your marketplace, where it ships to, where it ships from, supplier, currency, price range. Now you can find products here by clicking right here on products. And as you can see, I don't have products yet. So you can add products. You can choose from AutoDS Finder. So let's do that. Now you can also go ahead on print on demand and to the marketplace. So let's go to marketplace. And for example, you can actually find here trending products. As you can see, you need product finding hub for $6.99 to use this. Now you can also have a handpicked products from here and TikTok Spy. But again, you need to pay for it. It's not free to use. Now on print on demand, you can find all products like sweatshirts, shirts, t-shirts, baby on a sea, and many, many more. So like full printed apparel, footwear, even printed in EU, home living. As you can see, you have a lot of products. So if you want to add your product from AutoDS, you can just basically click edit product. After it loads up, you can actually add an image here. So let's do that. Now, as you can see, you can edit it however you like. And after that, you're gonna save it. And now the product of ours was added to the drafts. Now I have added one product here, and as you can see, you can import it to your store, to the products page. You can choose the destination. The destination is your store. As you can see, the supplier is Amazon US. And you basically can click import and it will import to your store. Now you go back to your store and you go to products. And it should appear right there. Let's wait a little bit. View details. The status is in progress, as you can see, but basically it will be added to your store somewhere here on the products page. As you can see, it's now right there. And now you can actually add it to your store yourself. And this is where you can actually also track your products. As you can see, this is available, on hold, out of stock, the price, and so on. Everything you can edit here on your Shopify store. As you can see, you can edit images. And when you go to your online store, you can actually customize and add your product on your collections, like it is right here now. So that's how I actually use AutoDS. You just basically search the marketplace, search the print on demand options, and add, import, basically import the draft. Now from the draft you import to your store and add it to your store. So on the main page, for example, or on the catalog.